How to log in to your Hang Seng Bank account. For that, you first need to open your web browser and search for Hang Seng Bank. As you guys can see, this is a bank based on Malta and is a Maltese subsidiary of the British multinational banking and financial services. So here you will need to open the first link. This will direct you to the official website of the Hang Seng Bank. And now what you need to do is click on log on, and you have different options right here to log into your account. Click on personal banking, or if you want to go to personal stock trading, you can go from here. If you have a business, you can go to business e-banking from here. I'm just going to continue with personal e-banking. It will open up a new window where you have to enter your credentials. So firstly, they will ask you for your username. You just have to enter your username on this space right here. Just click on continue, and now it will take you to the section where you have to enter your password. As you guys can see, in the old way they asked you to enter three randomly selected characters from your second password, but right now you will have to enter your entire password to log on. So just enter your password and then just click on log on. But if you somehow forgot your password, you can always click here to recover your password. They will send up an email to your reset link, and you can reset your password from here. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys on the next video.